Hi, Jeroen Meyer with Ofil Systems. We're doing an integration today of the micROM camera, the camera that captures partial discharge corona events on utility lines, with the DJI M600 Matrix series. So the integration is simple. It requires 3 steps. One is the power, to give power to the camera. The second one is video streaming to the gimbal down to the ground. And the third is the control of the camera, which we use from the, attach it to the A3 on the drone itself. So let's go through the steps. Before we put it on, we actually want to decide where we're going to draw the power from. We have 3 options. We can either use a battery, which we attach to the camera on top with this nice Velcro. Second part, we can attach and draw the power from the gimbal. So we use this part connected to wires and draw power from the gimbal itself. Or we use this part connected to the camera and we can draw power from the drone itself. When we fly, added weight decreases flight time. So I recommend usually to take the power from the gimbal itself and just connect this, take the wires, connect it, and draw power from the gimbal. The camera does not have a screen, so it doesn't use that much energy except for focusing. So flight time is more important than energy here. Not that much energy taken from the camera, so connect it to the gimbal. We're going to show it now with the battery attached here. Second part is mounting it. So we use the mounting plate and we use it, mount it on the gimbal, place it in. Once it snatches, it doesn't fall out. So if you want to take it off, you have to press this button here and take it off. Once it's in, it's in. So we find the right space. Takes a little bit of finessing here. I found that we don't need to use an application. We can find the center pretty fast. So once we find the center, I tighten all the positions. So we have an HDMI outlet on the gimbal, on the Grimsy here, and it's connected to the micro HDMI on the micROM itself. HDMI port, just push it in slowly and gently in the right direction. This is the right direction, so 90 degrees facing up. And there we go. So now we have video streaming from the gimbal to the camera. We're connecting the controls of the camera to the MFID on the back of the micROM. Then we take the cables and we connect them to the A3. Each connection is labeled and it will go into its appropriate position. Take each one and just place it in. Connectors on the ones towards you, and just push them in gently until you finish all 6. And then we're done. And we have integration.